We are making steamed eggs with goji today. The ingredients include eggs, goji berry, water, and salt. Goji berry has the effect of nourishing liver and kidney, nourishing blood and improving eyesight. It is a food therapy product for treating blurred vision, deficiency of liver and kidney yin, and soreness of waist and knees. In Chinese medicine, eggs can calm the heart, soothe the nerves, replenish qi, remove heat, and stop malnutrition. To make the steamed eggs with goji, break the eggs into a bowl and beat the eggs. Then mix water, a pinch of salt. Today I use Himalaya salt, which has more minerals. Add goji and mix well. Transfer to a steamer and steam over low heat for 15 minutes. Eating steamed eggs with goji berry once or twice a week can improve eye fatigue, near or farsightedness, and other symptoms.